Have a 20 horsepower kohler that started blowing white smoke out exhaust. Fuel is getting into the oil. I cleaned the carb and then did a carb kit. Changed oil and filter. Still smoking and fuel still getting into oil.
Hello, the symptoms you are having are those of a blown head gasket. This is a fairly common issue on this engine style. Replacing the head gasket should fix both the smoke and fuel in the oil problems. Thanks.
This is a fairly new motor with little use. What would cause the blown head gasket?
Can be caused by many things: overheated, bad head bolt, defective gasket, undertorqued head bolts, or simply just a failed gasket. Can't really say for sure as I am not there to check bolt torques and see the gasket upon removal.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.